Hello there and welcome. Today I have this problem. I have a rock hard piece of clay. I had a hole in my plastic bag and it has been in the basement for about 2 years. Now I've seen a lot of videos where they use this bucket of water, just soak it in there in a airtight plastic bag, and the result is really great. So I will try it. The clay I have here now it's called 11SG30, so it's there's a lot of grog in it. It's a stoneware clay, and as you can see, it's rock hard. So let's try this out. And I will also need an airtight plastic bag. So it's always good to test it first. And you see that the air stays in this. So the clay goes in the bag.
Whoa, stop me. You don't need that many bags. I could actually put the clay straight away just in the black plastic bag. It's no use having one underneath, just to say. So, let's continue.
And the bag with the clay and everything goes into the bucket. So here we go. First of all, I will fill my plastic bag with a little bit of water. The amount is always hard to know because I'm not really sure how much water this needs to soak and become great again. But, well, a few deciliters probably.
Whoa, listen. If you know how much the clay should weigh, if you use the metric system, you know that 1 liter weighs about 1 kilogram, half a liter, half a kilogram, and so on. This way you can count how much water you should add.
I think that's enough.
Of course, depending on how much your dry clay weighs now.
So now I filled some water in the plastic bag with the clay. Next up I will fill this white bucket almost to the rim so it covers the clay, because then the osmosis makes the water in this bag soak into the clay and it will be great all the way through. That's at least what they say. So let's see if that really works. So I will now fill it up.
My dog is, of course, curious, but I've put water up all the way to the rim of the clay. So you can see the clay is actually at this height and the water is all the way up there. So now I will just leave this for maybe 3 or 4 days and check what it looks like. See you next time.
So it's time to open up the bag and take a look at it. Let's see now. Here's the clay. Okay, so now I removed it from the bag. There was a little bit of water, of course, underneath. The clay is smooth, a little bit too smooth actually, because I probably had too much water inside of the bag. So this really works. Look at it. It's soft, almost too soft, but if I wedge it for a while, I think it will be all right. Thank you for watching. Bye.